We want it to come, and if we really want it to come now, our expression will show a lot more, you know, facial expression, and you will even say, come here now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a girl Nisha, and if you're new, welcome. Long time I not see you too, and long time you not see me, but my back. Now for today, I'm just gonna give you a short video. Yeah, nice, fun, friendly. Enjoy and relax. And the first word is come here. So you come here, come here is the same thing. It is an expression that we use really here in Jamaica. We want it to come, and if we really want it to come now, our expression will show a lot more, you know, facial expression, and you will even say, come here now. Tourists oftentimes come here in Jamaica, want to know what to say, how to do the actions, and of course you click away. Forward, forward. Yes, it's the same as saying come here. Here in Jamaica, we also use forward. Forward, my brethren. Long time, I have something for telling you forward now. And if you can say forward, my brethren, so it all depends on what you want to talk to the person about. Alright? Jamaica, we speak broken English, or people want to say English language. But of course, I really do love my mother language, which is Creole. My all-time favorite. This is really my all-time favorite. Look here. And if you're really upset, it's the same thing I say, look here now, you know. But if the person really getting on top of your nerves, they say, look here now, meaning you want to get rid of the person, you want the person to go away. But in this instance, we're using it to say, come here, look here. Yeah, so here you have it. And if there's any other word you want to know that it is speaking Patois, just go ahead and link up the other previous videos before, and of course I'm going to bring more fun videos to you. Thank you again for watching this video, and of course I appreciate the watch. Remember to leave a comment down below and tell me what do you want to see next, and please be safe. Yes, and stay tuned for more fun videos.